Everyone thinks the best-selling toilet aid is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Fanware Comfort Wipe. So first up is the Fanware Toilet Aids Tools Comfort Wipe. Priced at just $8.99, this product caught my eye because it's the best seller in its category. If you want a reliable aid that helps you maintain your independence while wiping, this is worth a serious look. The Fanware Comfort Wipe extends your reach over 15 inches, which is a game changer for anyone who has trouble bending or twisting. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to grip, and the soft, flexible head ensures comfort against the skin. With over 21,800 reviews and a decent 3.5-star rating, it's clear that many have found it helpful. Now here's the thing, some users did mention that it can feel a bit flimsy if you're too rough with it. But honestly, as long as you're gentle, you'll find it works well. For the price, I believe the comfort and independence it promotes make it a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable and effective way to maintain hygiene on your terms. Skip this one if you need something ultra-durable for heavy-duty use, but for most folks, it's a great value. Now, if the durability concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Vive Wiping Tongs. Next is the Vive Toilet Aids for Wiping Bottom, priced at $16.99. This caught my attention because it provides a unique self-cleaning feature. If you want independence without compromising hygiene, this is worth considering. The Vive Wiping Tongs are designed to give you a comfortable reach without bending, making them ideal for anyone with limited mobility. With a solid 4.2-star rating from nearly 900 reviews, many users appreciate their practicality. However, some users felt that the tongs should have a bit more grip on the wipes, which is fair. But here's the thing, as long as you use a decent quality wipe, they perform quite well. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a comfortable, easy-to-use option that helps you maintain hygiene independently. Skip this if you prefer a traditional feel, but the convenience might just win you over. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for extra reach. Product number 3, Juvo Toilet Aid Wand. Now let's talk about the Juvo Toilet Aid, priced at $22.99. What really caught my eye is its 18-inch length. If you're in need of a longer reach, this tool deserves your attention. The Juvo wand is specifically designed for those with limited range of motion, helping them maintain dignity during personal care. The Easy Squeeze trigger securely locks in toilet tissue or wipes, and when you're done, a simple push releases the soiled paper. With a solid 4-star rating from over 9,000 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among users. Some feedback mentioned cleaning the rubber tips could be a hassle. But honestly, that's a small price to pay for the level of independence it offers. This is perfect for seniors, pregnant women, or anyone recovering from surgery. Skip this if you want something that doesn't require a bit of maintenance, but the ease of use makes it worth it. Now, if the cleaning concern is something you're worried about, the next product has you covered with a more discreet design. Product number 4, Bottom Buddy Wiping Aid. Coming in next is the Bottom Buddy Toilet Tissue Wiping Aid, priced at $44.99. This one caught my attention due to its patented design that helps with overall ease of use. If you need a more ergonomic option, let's take a look. The Bottom Buddy features a soft, flexible head that adapts to your needs, making it easier to wipe comfortably. Its non-slip grip is designed for those with limited mobility, and it also comes with a discreet carry bag, which is a nice touch. With a 4.1-star rating from about 3,200 reviews, users appreciate its practical design and comfort. However, it is on the pricier side compared to others in this list. Some found it a bit bulky to store. But here's the thing, the comfort and quality justify the cost for those who value ease and discretion. This is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable aid that doesn't sacrifice comfort. Skip this if you're on a tight budget, but for those who can afford it, it's a worthwhile investment. Alright, we've looked at some great options, but if you're looking for a budget-friendly pair, you'll want to hear about our final pick. Product number 5, Juvo Toilet Aid Pack of 2. Last but not least is the Juvo Toilet Aid Pack of 2, priced at $39. This one really caught my attention because it offers 2 wands for a great price. If you want to stock up for multiple bathrooms, this is a smart choice. Each wand features an 18-inch length, designed for complete independence when wiping. The Easy Squeeze trigger locks in tissue securely, and it includes a sanitary cover for hygiene. With over 9,000 reviews and a solid 4-star rating, it's well-loved. Some users reported that they found the material a bit less durable than expected. But here's the thing. The convenience of having 2 is a massive plus for families or shared living spaces. This is perfect for anyone needing assistance with hygiene in different bathrooms. Skip this if you only need 1 wand, but overall, the value you get here is hard to beat. So there you have it. We've covered the Fanwear Comfort Wipe, Vive Wiping Tongs, Juvo Toilet Aid, Bottom Buddy, and the Juvo Pack of 2. Each has its strengths, whether it's price, comfort, or ease of use. I hope this helps you find the perfect toilet aid that fits your needs.